For today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to load a kayak on top of a car. How to load a kayak.
Without roof racks.
Step 1. Remove the antenna by grabbing the base and twisting to the left. Step 2. Position the padding. Place one pad about an inch away from the windshield, and your second pad goes directly in front of where your antenna was. Step 3. Position the kayak. This one is left up to your own discretion. If the boat seems unstable, make sure to relocate each pad. Make sure your kayak is well positioned and balanced before moving on. Step 4. Open all doors and grab the tie downs. Make sure to have a reliable tie down. We recommend using 15-foot cam buckle straps, which comes in a tie-down kit we offer as a rental. For step 5, grab the loose end and throw it over the boat. Step 6, take the loose end and loop it through the interior of the car. Grab another tie-down and repeat this step for the other tie-down. Step 7, connect the loose end to the buckle. This is done by grabbing the buckle with one hand, pressing down the lever, and with the other hand, lacing the loose end through the teeth of the buckle. After lacing it through the buckle, complete this step by pulling the loose end all the way through the buckle, tightening slowly. To firmly tighten down your boat, grab the tighter rope with one hand, and with the other hand, pull downward toward yourself. Continue to hold the loose end of the rope with one hand, and with the other, loop it through the back to prevent any loosening. Before taking off, consider step 8. Tie off loose ends. Now with a secure boat, you're ready to go. This tutorial has been brought to you by Green Adventure Sport Rentals. What's your adventure?